Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Evelyn's 3D Shop. I know it's been a while, but I got a new job and that job has been taking a little bit, or actually a lot of my time now. Anyways, I know I am uploading this video very late. I just recorded. It's about the memory game product Unreal Engine asset that I am selling. You can buy this product on my Epic Games seller platform, and you can also buy it in other platforms like Gumroad and ArtStation. That link is in the description below of this video. I'm going to be showing you how to customize this product and how you can implement it into your own project. Okay, let's begin. The first step is to determine if you want to migrate this onto your own project or if you want to use the same project. In the user manual, you will be able to find the instructions. Well, there is a link that will guide you to how to migrate assets from one project to another project. You will be able to find that in the user manual of this product. Going to the next step, if you decide to migrate this product, you will need to make sure that you add this coding into your own project in the level blueprint of your project in order for the product to be able to work. If you don't have this coding, the product will not be able to work. Now, you will go to blueprints and you will go to game template. You will click on it and you will double click on the widget blueprint that we have right here, which is the game template. Okay, there it is. This is the main blueprint where the game is located. In the overview, I already show you all these components, so I'm not going to stop on that. We're going to go directly to the graph. And we're going to zoom into the event construct, which, as you can see in the user manual, this is where all the events and the functions run, the initial ones that are needed in order for the product to start working. So these ones, I'm going to pick them. These 5 are the functions and events that are not necessary to be changed by the buyer, unless the buyer knows what they're doing, if they have experience with Unreal Engine. If you don't have experience on Unreal Engine, you as the buyer, I recommend that you don't make any changes, because you can either delete or make a change or disconnect and the product will not work perfectly. Okay, so here it's the array and setup. This is where the physical, like the colors, when a click is done or when the mouse is being hovered into one of the cards, one of these ones, this is where this setup happens. And also it stores all the 20 cards that we have right here, because it's in total it's 20 cards. This is where all the 20 cards are also stored into an array. An array to be able to customize all of these in one go instead of customizing them one by one. And here on the options buttons array, this is where it takes all these options that we have right here and also customizes it. And this is the event. This is the reference to this event. So you can see we have the start button, the clue button, and the exit button right here. Here the game background setup, this is where the background is being customized as well. If you remember, in the overview I show you where this background is stored, and you can change it if you want to as well. I'm going to show you in another video how to customize, how to change background and also how to change the colors in case you would like to do it and you don't have any experience on this. I would like to do that as well. And in here we have the disable option and the image card buttons. This event, what it does is that it disables all the buttons, both these buttons, the options and the images buttons. So let me show you very quickly what this event does. So when you start the game, you can see all the buttons are disabled except for the start button. So this is to avoid the player, in this case, to accidentally click one of the buttons. The exit is also included in there. It can be removed as well. If the buyer wants to give the player the option to exit as well, it can be removed too. Now we have these two. One is a function, the other one is an event. I believe this is the event and this is the function. These are not necessary to change either, but they're very essential because these two handle the image configurations, the images that are shown in here, in these cards. Like I said, it's not necessary for the buyer to change them unless the buyer wants to add more images, wants to increase the amount that we have right here. Right now there's 20, but if the buyer wants to have 30, 40, or wants to reduce this number, then these will be the ones that the user needs to modify. And I'm going to show that as well in another video, how to either add or delete in case the user wants to delete, the buyer. Now going to the start of this event construct, this function right here, set image badges, this is where the images that are shown here are set. So on this video I'm going to show you how to modify these images. So this function right here takes all the images, the 30 images that this project contains are all taken right here. So whenever this function runs, it picks up one of these three groups. There are 10 images by array. So a set of 10 images here, another 10, another 10, being in total 30. And right here it's when one of these groups are chosen to appear right here whenever the game runs. In order for the buyer to be able to add their own images, is very easy. It's to go right here. Here you can choose, and that is also very important. The images need to be uploaded onto the product, onto Unreal Engine, as texture. And that's it. That's all that the buyer needs to do. One by one, the buyer can choose any of the images that they have right here. So the buyer can go in here on images, go to game images folder, and right here they can delete all these images that are in here and export their own images, so that they choose one of these variables. They can click one of their own customized images. Where are these variables located? They're located in the category game images right here. Let's see, where is it? Right here. It's local variable. Right here, game images. There it is.
Okay everyone, this is the end of this tutorial for my product memory game. Thank you very much. If you like it, please don't forget to give a like, subscribe and comment. And if you're interested in buying this product, you can do that in the description below. Thank you. Good morning or good night. See you in the next video.